Hello students, welcome back to English class with Miss Teta. Nice to meet you. Sometimes we cannot do something or we need somebody to help to do things. We all need help. Have you ever asked someone to help you? If we ask someone to help us, we should ask them politely. Jika kita mau minta tolong pada seseorang, kita harus meminta tolong dengan sopan. So, today we will learn about how to ask for help. Kita hari ini akan belajar tentang bagaimana cara meminta tolong dengan sopan. Before we start, I will remind you that at the end of this lesson, you will have tasks. So, watch this video until the end to understand this material. And don't forget to take some notes. Now, I'm going to show you some really common expression how to ask for help. The first one, we have can you, blah blah blah. Can you give me a hand with? Can you show me how to? Can you help me out with? Now, we will discuss this expression one by one. The first one, we have can you, blah blah blah. It's a very simple request. For example, can you feed the fish? Bisakah kamu memberi makan ikan ini? And you can also ask, could you, blah blah blah. What is the difference between can and could? If you use can you, blah blah blah, it means that it is less formal. Jadi, kalau kalian memakai ekspresi can you, itu tidak terlalu formal. Bisa kalian pakai untuk meminta tolong kepada saudara atau teman kalian. If you use could you, blah blah blah, artinya masih sama, bisakah kamu, bla bla bla. Tetapi, could you is more formal and more polite. Jika kalian memakai could you, bla bla bla, berarti itu lebih formal dan lebih sopan. Biasanya kita memakai kata could you untuk meminta tolong kepada orang yang lebih dewasa. Contohnya orang tua, guru, kakek, nenek, dan sebagainya. Sehingga kalian bisa bertanya dengan lebih sopan. The example is, could you turn on the fan please? Bisakah Anda atau kamu menghidupkan kipas angin? Don't forget to use please to make it more polite. The second one, can you give me a hand with? Blah blah blah. Means that I need your hands to help me. Sehingga kalian membutuhkan pertolongan orang lain untuk membantu kalian. For example, like moving something heavy. Jadi contohnya mau memindahkan benda yang berat. Karena kamu tidak kuat, sehingga kamu meminta tolong orang lain yang lebih kuat untuk membantumu mengangkat benda tersebut. For example, can you give me a hand with moving this table? It's so heavy. Bisakah kamu menolongku untuk memindahkan meja ini? Meja ini sangat berat. Nah, jika kalian mau meminta tolong kepada orang yang lebih dewasa, you can use could you. Could you give me a hand with moving this table? It's so heavy. That's really easy. The third one, we have, can you show me how to blah blah blah? Means, teach me something or how to do something. Artinya berarti ajari aku untuk melakukan hal ini atau ajari aku cara melakukan sesuatu. For example, can you show me how to use this computer? I don't know this. Or you can use could you untuk meminta tolong kepada orang yang lebih dewasa. Could you show me how to use this computer? I don't know this. Bisakah kamu mengajariku bagaimana cara menggunakan komputer ini? Aku tidak tahu. And the fourth one is, can you help me out with blah blah blah? Sama, artinya, bisakah kamu membantuku untuk blah blah blah? For example, can you help me out with this English project? It's so difficult. Or you can use could you. Could you help me out with painting this wall? Those are some really common expressions that we can use to ask for help. Jadi, tadi adalah beberapa ekspresi yang umum digunakan dan sering digunakan untuk meminta tolong. So, you can use informal expression or formal expression. Kalian bisa menggunakan ekspresi yang informal atau tidak terlalu resmi yang memakai can, dan kalian juga bisa menggunakan ekspresi yang formal atau yang lebih resmi untuk meminta tolong kepada orang yang lebih dewasa. Kalian bisa memakai could you. Now, your task is make a conversation using expression of asking for help. You can use informal, can you, or formal, could you. Make a conversation with your sisters or brothers or your parents. You can choose. If you have finished, you can send your video in our Google Classroom private comment space. If you cannot submit your video, don't worry. Just attach your video and do not need to click submit. I will check your video in our Google Classroom. These are the examples of the video. You can take a look this video. Can you help me with this program? I don't know this.
Sure. Let me see.
Thanks, Han.
My pleasure.
Mr. Chris,
Yeah?
could you show me how to draw a dog?
Oh, of course. Let me show you how to draw a dog. Here is the picture.
Oh, thank you, Mister.
Always welcome.
Okay, do you understand? If you have any question, you can post your question on the comment space on our Google Classroom. This is the end of our meeting. I hope that you can understand our material today. And I will see you in the next class. Bye!